Hi guys! So, for today's video,
Bibili kami ng couch sa marketplace.
i-feature po natin ang aking baby hair. So, bibili kami ng couch sa marketplace. Mabilisan lang tong namin kasi
Ngayon lang namin siya nakita, and then ngayon lang din nag-message, and then ngayon lang din kami magpipick up. Wait lang. So, yeah, it's so windy. Pero yeah, ngayon nag-rent kami ng U-Haul na van kasi hindi yun kasya sa car namin. But, yung couch kasi $250 lang, tapos sofa bed din siya. And then, yung pagre-rent namin ng U-Haul, is going to be around like $100. So in total,
$350 lang.
mga $350. Most of the time, yung $350, wala ka pa rin naman makahanap na sofa bed nun.
Na
Kaya,
brand new.
Hindi naman brand new yung kukunin namin.
I mean, yeah, but yung kukunin namin na couch na $350, good condition siya, and wala masyadong damages, wala masyadong mga tears, and walang scratches. Siguro may mga konting lang, pero like super carry na for $250, super good na siya.
Yeah, it is actually really good for $250. Medyo may stain siya, tapos may tear na slight.
Yeah.
Pero may cover naman din na kasama, so okay lang. And then, if yung niya, yung pang sofa bed niya, walang stains. So, like, it's fine.
Yeah, and yung ginawa namin sa sofa namin, yung sectional couch namin, binenta namin siya sa marketplace din. And then, hindi pa nag 10 minutes, may nagme-message na nabibilhin na rin nila yung couch namin.
Kasi guys, maganda naman yung sofa bed na yun. I mean, yung sofa namin na yun. Mga 700 din namin na nabili yun. Tapos, ilang years na rin siya. Pero, maganda pa rin naman yung condition niya. May slight stain. Pero, it's okay. Pero, yung mga couch kasi sobrang mamahal ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari.
Yeah, so okay pa rin naman. I mean, okay sa amin na bumili ng second hand na couch or sofa bed.
Bali kung papalitan lang yung ngayon.
Yeah, kung papalitan lang.
Kasi, then it means na yung sofa na bibili namin ngayon is only the cost of the U-Haul, which is fine.
What's this?
Oh, that's the
Okay. Yeah. So, yun
You know, to be honest, we could have sold the couch for like $300, no?
I know, but
Pero, okay lang, like, get rid of it right away. Kasi wala rin kaming space.
yeah. So, if you guys are going to ask if bakit kami magpapalit or kumuha ng sofa bed, it's because okay naman yung sectional couch namin.
Nag-work naman siya.
But first, kasi yung space din. So, at first, okay pa siya. Wala pang problema yung but ngayon nare-realize namin na yung L-facing na couch, parang hindi naman talaga siya for lang talaga siya for style, for design and everything.
And yung L na yun, yung extra for the feet, parang hindi naman namin siya masyado nagagamit. Kasi nakahiga kami most of the time, or like nasa floor, or so hindi namin nagagamit talaga yung purpose ng L na yun.
Yeah, so that's one. So yung space and everything. The second is, pag pumupunta yung family ni Kim dito sa Vancouver, nag-visit sa amin, may nahihirapan kami minsan kung saan sila papatulugin kasi dahil nga wala kaming extra bed. So at least yung sofa bed na yun magagamit.
Magiging queen na
bed
siya.
Yeah.
So we don't need to put, a mattress on the floor anymore. They can just use the couch. Tapos mas marami pang tao yung makakaano dun. Because right now, pag nandun sila si mom and si Melly yung nasa floor, tapos si daddy yung nasa couch. Ngayon, pwede na silang tabi-tabi.
Yeah, so yun lang yun guys. And so right now, pupunta kami sa Richmond para pick upin yung U-Haul.
Dyan lang sa
Ay, dito sa Marine Drive pala.
Pero alam nyo kung nasan tong couch na to? Nasa Langley.
Langley is like an hour. No, hindi naman an hour.
45
Mga 45
minutes
minutes
away.
drive from here sa amin.
So bali, we're gonna go there 45 minutes. Gonna pick it up for like 5 minutes. Then we're gonna go, drop it off sa bahay. Drop off the,
Car.
the
The U-Haul.
U-Haul. Tapos, mag-work ako.
Yeah, so it's gonna be, super madalian lang talaga na,
Kasi dapat kanina pa to, kaso lang si ate girl mo na nagsisell ng couch. Sabi niya, she can't today. And then, biglang nag-change ng mind. Sabi niya, today na lang daw. So, ngayon, instead of me working at 4, sabi ko malilate ako ng 2 hours. So, 6 ako papasok.
But yeah, so mamaya update namin kayo guys. Kukunin lang muna namin ang U-Haul.
Yeah.
We're here sa U-Haul guys. And naghahanap lang kami ng parking ngayon. And ito yung ganito yung hihiramin namin na car or na van today for pick up or for picking up the couch sa Langley. So tara, let's go. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Dati nakapag-drive na si Kim ng ng truck or ng U-Haul dati nung naglilipat kami sa apartment namin. Mas malaki nito. Yung teka, i-zoom in ko. Yung ganyan na yung ganyan na truck yung nagamit na or na-drive ni Kim dati nung naglilipat kami or naghahakot kami. Ayan, let's go inside. Okay, guys. Our new car. So, nahanap na namin yung car. Nakukunin namin. And ito yun. I mean, i-rent namin. So, hiningal ako. Inayos lang ni Kim. But this is a good car or van na for for pick up lang ng couch. Hello! Okay, so we are getting ready na. Guys, ito pala yung likod ng van. Ayan, and
Naman tataas to? Parang late ko.
I know. So, ito. Laki-laki ng ng van na to.
Phone mo.
Pero na-try na to ni Kim taka lang. And we are now leaving. Papunta na tayo ng Langley. So it says here it's a 40-minute drive from here papunta doon sa kukunan namin ng couch. So
am I turning this way?
concentrate muna kami here. Yeah. Concentrate muna kami, guys. Just 1 second. Okay. Medyo siya. Medyo iba tong van na na-rent namin compared dun sa truck talaga na ni-rent namin last nung naglilipat kami ng bahay sa apartment namin. Yeah, this way. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, it's kinda scary kasi super laki ng van. I mean, mas maliit siya compared sa dinrive ni Kim dati na truck, but still nakakapanibago pa din dahil ibang car. Ganda ng araw pala today, guys. So blessed tayo today ng araw. See you guys later. Alright, update guys. Nasa highway 99 na 99, diba? Highway 99 to, diba? Nasa highway 99 na tayo. And how are you doing?
It's okay.
Sabi ni Kim, para lang daw siyang naglalaro yung sa yung parang past driver simulation. Pero na-enjoy naman niya. Kanina parang kinakabahan siya, pero ngayon siguro na nahiyang na siya, na okay na siya kaagad.
Hindi feel na mabilis na pala yung takbo mo.
Yeah, hindi namin na-feel na mabilis na pala yung takbo namin because siguro nga dahil malaki yung car. Pero mabilis na pala yung takbo namin. And
Continue on British Columbia 99 south for 2 kilometers.
sorry, nagsasalita si Siri. So, ayan. Medyo nasa lang kami ngayon. Parang dahan-dahan lang yung drive namin, pero within pa rin naman yung speed limit pa rin naman. Ayan guys, papasok tayo ng tunnel. Woo! Ayan guys, medyo bumibilis yung takbo namin today, I mean right now, kasi sumasabay kami sa takbo ng cars dito sa loob ng tunnel. So, okay ka pa? Okay, she's okay. Ayan. Medyo magalaw yung car and medyo mahangin din sobra sa labas. Kaya, sinasabi ni Kim kanina na sobrang hangin daw, na-feel niya. And now, we're
Continue
out.
on British Columbia 99 South for 800 meters.
So 15 minutes na lang darating na tayo. Actually 16 pala. 16 minutes na lang darating na tayo sa destination natin. And
Parang ni Melissa.
sa bahay ni Melissa. Parang ang tagal. Alam nyo, sobrang naaalog yung namin, yung ulo na.
Hilo namin.
Hilong-hilo na kami, guys. Kasi nga, empty yung van, di ba?
Continue straight to stay on 32nd Avenue.
Continue straight.
Empty yung van and super magalaw talaga yung likod. And
Continue straight to stay on 32nd Avenue.
blinas naman tayo ng sobrang clear na roads and walang ulan. So, that's nice. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung weather pagka-uwi natin mamaya. Kasi may forecast na nauulan daw today. And so far, hindi pa naman nagbuhos ang ulan. So,
Ay, nandito ba yung trolley? Or did we have to get it?
wait lang, sorry. 10 minutes away na lang tayo, guys, sa pupuntahan natin sa destination natin.
Napakalayo ni Melissa!
Ang tingnan nyo, ang galaw-galaw talaga. Nafe-feel nyo ba yung camera ang galaw? Anyway, malapit na tayo, guys. And minamadali na namin to. Binibilisan namin dahil hopefully para hindi kami maabutan ng ulan nga, or if just in case of ulan. And kasi mag-work pa si Kim after nito, so kailangan fast lang ang aming galawan. Ganun. Lapit na tayo, guys. Ito na yun. Guys, ang lalakas ng hangin dito, guys. Kung nakikita nyo yung roads, maraming mga, hindi naman debris, maraming mga ng puno. Ano tawag nito? Leaves. Medyo wala na siya, pero kanina yung nadaanan namin, may mga sherva sa roads, may mga leaves sa roads. Ayan.
So, we just picked it up. Oh. We gotta struggle again to, ayan siya, yan. Gotta struggle to put that into our living room now. So, should be okay, but yeah, it was heavy. The first part, actually no, it's really light. It's just the same size ng natin, no?
It's not.
Is it bigger? No, it's not.
It's bigger.
No, it's not. Okay, we're gonna drive now. Okay, so we didn't finish the vlog that evening because it was a struggle to get this one here. Yeah, so when we got this one, we sold the other one, and then someone picked it up right away. So the couch looks like this, and then it can be an L sectional couch if we need that, or it can be a double-sized bed. And it can be a double-sized bed, or like two beds, one at the bottom and one at the top. Or the back can also be folded down, so the entire thing becomes a queen bed. So it's nice. But the only problem is, medyo dip na yung ano niya. Ito, you guys see? Like, dip na talaga siya. Yeah, pero whatever. It'll serve its purpose. Bumili din naman kami ng topper para if it's a bed, hindi niyo ma-feel yung pagka-dip niya. Although you still feel here, because this is pretty hard. This is like the metal part. But yeah, it's okay. It's all right. It'll be functional, and it was only $250, but we paid $114 for the U-Haul. Yeah, we paid $114 for the U-Haul. So basically $300, around $350 siya namin nabili. But okay na yun kasi yung mga bagong price ng mga ngayon, mga sectionals and mga couch is like 700 to 1,300 yung mga bago. And then yung mga ibang pull out na sofa bed, it's always a sectional, and if it's not a sectional, bulky din naman siya. So okay na. It's all right. And if we keep it like this, mint condition, when we need to upgrade or downgrade the couch, we can still sell it for the same price. So that's fine. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, this was a struggle to bring up here. Someone downstairs had to help us bring this up. And it was also freezing that evening. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog.
Thank you so much for watching your vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching your vlog, and thank you so much for our new subscribers. And thank you.
Yeah, ang gulo ng likod. Daming things. Also, ito, we're selling this one. Itong lamp na to kasi bumili kami ng lamp na yun. So yeah, we had to sell this one because the bottom, it doesn't fit the sides anymore because this is a little bit wider than our last couch. And so we gotta sell this. So if you're in Vancouver and you want this lamp right here, please buy it. Oh yeah, we're just watching a vlog. But yeah, please. Anyways, that is it. Hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.
Yep.
Alright, bye.
Bye.